दिल्ली एनसीआर में कंक्रीट के जंगल और पोल्यूशन के बीच आज हम निकल रहे हैं एक अर्ली मॉर्निंग हाइक के लिए। ये एक ग्रुप हाइक है एंड इट्स हैपनिंग इन Aravalli Biodiversity Park, Vasant Kunj.
Do you ever get up so early in the morning?
Of course, a lot of times.
That's a lie. White lie. इतनी जल्दी उठ के यहाँ वॉक पे आना, it's like really good. क्योंकि ऐसे तो हम उठते नहीं है सब।
So many females meeting early morning and hiking a jungle trail was a different vibe. We also had two really cool boys in the group.
How's it going? It is fun. एक सिटी के अंदर इतनी ग्रीनरी, टेम्परेचर ही डिफरेंट है, ऑक्सीजन लेवल्स ही डिफरेंट है. I can breathe so much. My lungs are happy.
Yeah, hi. It's fun to have you around, fun to be with you, and it's like a good walk. अभी थोड़ी देर में और वर्कआउट लगेगा, बाकी पूरा stretches around I think 6-8 kilometers. 6 kilometers?
I have no idea,
Probably it is that much.
but I hope it is. Right behind me, there are peacocks. So I recorded them. You can see on the screen. It's young, I think. The feathers are looking. Look at that walk. There are 3 of them.
Getting this kind of shade in Delhi is a luxury.
मेरे तुम्हें जो कैमरा पकड़ा है ये बस दिखाने के लिए पकड़ा है, because I'm shooting here. I will shoot you. Yeah, that's how you shoot with the cameras.
इस ट्रेल पे काफी सारे लोग मॉर्निंग वॉक के लिए भी निकले हुए थे। क्योंकि हम शूट भी कर रहे थे, so we were getting left behind quite a bit and had to jog towards the group.
Finally, I've reached the group.
नहीं सबके पास
And this is the whole gang.
चले फिर
They're all enthusiasts.
थोड़ा सा ब्रीथिंग कर लेंगे. अगर कोई थक गया तो 2 मिनट रुक सकता है.
So now we have started walking back.
पार्क के अंदर एक नेचर एजुकेशन कैंप साइट भी बनी है, which is really cool.
So, I found a रीठा का पेड़. ये रीठा का पेड़ है, and we know why it is used.
It's been good. Needed this refreshing thing, so it's been really good, Hansi.
Yeah.
So it's been good. I didn't know this nature thing, so it's nice. Good.
What about you?
Feeling refreshed, energetic.
हाँ,
We
अभी
can
तक तो.
walk 45 minutes more.
Oh, nice.
We are actually in our home that we have missed for so many years. So we wanted some fresh air. All thanks to all the group that is with us. So all the best. We'll see you again.
So हम लोग काफ़ी आगे आ गए थे. Now we are returning. हमें वापस बुलाया पल्लवी ने. She's saying वहाँ पर एक फॉरेस्ट का एक ऑफिस है और I don't know वहाँ पे म्यूज़ियम है, ऐसा कुछ है. She said वहाँ पे कुछ देखने का है. So we all are returning back.
सब अधिकारी आ गए हैं.
हेलो सर, क्या है यहाँ पे?
जी,
यहाँ पर क्या है?
बटरफ्लाई है, ये अपना फॉरेस्ट का, ये गार्डन का ऑफिसर्स वगैरह बैठते हैं.
ओके, फॉरेस्ट ऑफिस है बेसिकली.
जी, डीडीए का.
ओके. रितु और उसका टेढ़ा बैग है.
Now this is magical. Welcome to the butterfly park.
My name is Rizwan, and this park we started developing from 2004. Area of our park is 692 acres, and we are developing all native vegetation of Aravali's from Gujarat to Delhi.
Oh wow.
Because Aravali Hill Range starts from Pavagadh, Gujarat, and ends in North Campus, DU. So we have surveyed, collected different forest species, raised in nursery, and planted in this area.
आपको यहाँ पर काफ़ी सारी बटरफ्लाईज देखने के लिए मिल सकती हैं।
Mendak?
So what do you think? The frogs here
Yeah.
will turn into a prince?
Oh yeah, try kissing them. That depends on your kiss. So I believe उस फेरी टेल में पावर फ्रॉग के पास नहीं थी, पावर प्रिंसेस के पास थी। उसके किस करने से ही वो प्रिंस बन सकता है।
लकीली हमें इस बायोडाइवर्सिटी पार्क को डेवलप करने वाली एक और वाइल्ड लाइफ साइंटिस्ट मिल गई एंड शी टोल्ड अस
I'm Dr. Aisha, working as a wildlife scientist over here, and we are just developing this degraded mining land, and we have converted this into a native forest of the Aravali, which we have lost hundreds of years back. So it's Aravali Biodiversity Park, and it's a 700-acre area, and we have total, I think, more than hundreds of ditches over here. So we are just converting this into forest, and in that process we have just revived the lost biodiversity over here, which we have lost, like many birds species or the butterfly species or the mammals, reptiles, everything. And we have all whatever you are seeing over here, we have planted. It was nothing over here, and we have planted over in the grasses also, and shrubs, herbs, trees, and that too of the different layer. So it's all a forest, and that is going to be you can say that the resilient forest and self-sustainable, so that it can self-managed.
इस पार्क की ट्रेल्स में वॉक करते हुए आप देख सकते हैं कि इसे कितनी मेहनत से बनाया गया है। Maybe this kind of effort will transform Delhi into a livable place once again. And now let's talk to the boys of the group.
Okay, so what do you guys do?
We've just passed out with 12.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, we are going up. I'm about to go into college. He's taking a drop here.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
You came to this hike with us, so
yeah,
I saw you guys spotting some mushrooms and all. Tell me about that.
we don't really know anything about them specifically, but we
They're
just
just
find
pretty.
it really interesting to see
Yeah.
how they're growing everywhere, basically. Really.
And
And in all varieties also.
Oh, very nice.
In all shapes and varieties.
So what did you see here? Like,
We just saw.
The normal mushrooms which you see everywhere, then there are bracket fungi, which
Yeah.
look like plates attached to tree trunks or sticks, and then you can see some really tiny ones if you look carefully attached to the trees
yeah, like
again.
on the bamboo gate, there were
Really tiny mushrooms.
Yeah, red.
Fungi. Maybe it's not proper to call them mushrooms. Fungi is a better.
okay, and how was the hike? How was the experience?
Yeah,
Fun.
yeah,
It's fun. You'll come here again?
maybe.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
The butterfly park was quite
The
good.
butterfly park.
And this fun hike ended with a fun breakfast at Madhya Pradesh Bhavan. So if you want to do this hike with a fun group, get in touch with Pallavi. Her number is in the description. See you next time.